Let's keep creating. Yeah, that was... I need a better tagline. Welcome back. Christian here with freelancinghobbyists.com. Today, we are back in the garage. We got the crazy hair going, and we have this. This is why I brought you here today. This is what I'm going to show you. This is my micro forge. It's basically a small tabletop forge that I use and I kind of created to basically craft small things like this. So these are the hooks that I make out of these horseshoe nails to go on this rack that holds my keys. So I sell them on Etsy. I've got a video up on how I actually make them, but I don't actually go through how I make the hooks, which I'm actually not going to do because it's not my video, it's not my idea. But I'll put a link down in the description where I did watch that video if you want to go over there and take a peek on how they are made. I'm not going to go through it. What I'm going to walk you through is my forge. So it's pretty basic, it's pretty simple, but it does get the job done. We got the 1 pound propane tank. We've got the torch, which goes through the piece of cement board, which is held on by a brick. It's got 2 holes depending on what I want to do. I use the one that's close to do what I'm doing at the edge with my horseshoes, the nails. And then I just got three fire bricks here that kind of contain the heat, get kind of hot, and kind of insulate things from that heat. They're held together with clamps. In the future, I will make an actual mini forge out of some steel, some probably angle iron or something like that. And then it all sits on a piece of cement board to kind of insulate the table as well. When I am using it, I do have it slid way over to the edge so that all the heat isn't going into the wood or is anywhere near the wood. It's just sitting on it. But it does have that cement board insulation. When it's in use, I am always right here. I've got the fire extinguisher right there. So I try to be as safe as possible. One thing I will say is make this or use this at your own discretion, 100% on you. Use your own judgment, use your own mind. This works for me. I don't know what will work for you in your environment and will be safe for you. So just always think safety first when you are creating anything. And yeah, so there's my public service announcement 101. So yeah, so we got my bricks. I've got my cement board. It goes right on top right here. We've got the torch. We'll actually turn it on just to get it heated up, and then I can kind of show you what I do. It's kind of loud. I'll turn it on in a second. So once I have that in place, I'll put the brick on top. This kind of holds the torch in place. I don't want to have it fastened permanently right now just because it's kind of being adjusted. But I'm going to bring the camera around and show you what it looks like on this side. So here we are at the micro forge. Right here is where the heat is. I try and keep it very centralized, very localized, so that when I have the nails in there, I can keep them or keep an eye on them. I don't want too much heat or too little heat. I just want it perfectly right there. I'm going to turn it on and show you what it looks like with it running. So there you have it, my micro forge or mini forge or whatever you want to call it. Let me know down in the comments what you think it should be called. How about that? If you want to see more videos like this, you want to see me make cool things, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell, like this video, let other people see it. Let me know down in the comments what you want to see me make or do in the future. Let's keep creating. Let's keep creating. Yeah, I need a better tagline. If you got a tagline for me, let me know down in the comments and we can use it from here on out. Let's keep creating.